Finding the right carry gun can give you the added confidence and peace of mind every day. In today's video, we're showcasing the best carry guns, a lineup designed to offer comfort, control, and reliability. Whether you're after something compact and easy to conceal or a high-capacity option for added security, we've handpicked the top 7 models to suit a variety of needs. We'll take you through each pick, highlighting the features that make them stand out for concealed carry, from comfortable grips and smooth triggers to slim profiles and reliable performance. Each of these guns brings something valuable to the table. By the end, you'll know which model might be the perfect match for your lifestyle. And before we jump into our list, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your support with a simple click really helps us keep delivering content like this. Now let's get started. Number 7, Ruger LCP Max. If you're looking for a concealed carry gun that's as easy to carry as it is reliable, the Ruger LCP Max might just be the perfect fit. Designed for ultimate convenience, this 380 ACP packs an impressive 10+1 capacity into a slim, compact frame, giving you solid firepower without the bulk. With a length of just 5.17 inches and weighing only 10.6 ounces unloaded, the LCP Max particularly disappears in a pocket or holster, making it ideal for everyday carry. But don't let its small size fool you. Ruger made sure it's comfortable to shoot too. The textured grip gives you a secured hold, helping you stay steady even during rapid fire. And that easy to rack slide, it's a game changer, especially for those who need something user-friendly. To top it off, the tritium front sight makes it easy to lock onto your target, even in low light. So you're ready in any situation. Lightweight, powerful, and always at the ready, the Ruger LCP Max brings confidence and convenience together in one carry-friendly package. It is currently available at various retailers with prices ranging from approximately $250 to $400 depending on the specific model and features. Pros: compact, lightweight design perfect for concealment. High 10+1 capacity for a pocket-sized pistol and user-friendly slide and secure grip. Cons: compact frame may feel tight for larger hands. Number 6, Taurus GX4 Toro. For those who want a compact carry pistol with a bit more punch, the Taurus GX4 Toro delivers. Chambered in 9mm, this micro-compact pistol combines power with easy handling, making it a solid choice for concealed carry. The GX4 Toro is optic ready, so if you're looking to add a red dot for faster target acquisition, you're all set. It's designed to give you flexibility without adding bulk. At 6.05 inches in length and weighing just 18.5 ounces unloaded, the GX4 Toro is both compact and comfortable to carry. The textured polymer grip provides a secure hold, helping you stay steady during rapid shots, while the flat-face trigger gives a smooth, predictable pull that aids in accuracy. With a 10+1 or 13+1 capacity option, you're covered whether you prefer a low-profile magazine or a few extra rounds. The Taurus GX4 Toro brings together modern features, power, and convenience, making it an appealing option for those who want versatility in a compact frame. It is currently available at various retailers with prices ranging from approximately $296 to $420. Pros: optic ready, designed for adding a red dot sight. Comfortable, secure grip with a smooth trigger pull and flexible capacity options, 10+1 or 13+1 rounds. Cons: slightly heavier than some micro compacts and may feel snug for larger hands. Number 5, Glock 43X. If you're after a carry gun that's reliable, comfortable, and easy to handle, the Glock 43X is a strong contender. Chambered at 9mm, the Glock 43X combines Glock's famous durability with a slim profile that's ideal for everyday carry. It's designed to be simple and effective, giving you everything you need in a straightforward, easy-to-use package. With an overall length of 6.5 inches and a weight of just over 18 ounces unloaded, the 43X is lightweight and compact without sacrificing comfort. The grip is slightly longer than some micro compacts, providing a full, comfortable hold that feels secure in the hand. Great for users who prefer a solid grip on the firearm. The 10-round magazine capacity gives you reliable firepower while keeping the profile slim for easy concealment. The Glock 43X also features Glock's smooth trigger pull and dependable safety mechanisms. ensuring a consistent, secure performance every time. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or a new concealed carry, the Glock 43X offers confidence, comfort, and simplicity, making it a top choice. Its price typically ranges from approximately $450 to $500. Pros: slim, lightweight, designed for easy carry, comfortable grip with a full handhold, and reliable 10-round capacity with Glock's consistent performance. Cons: limited to 10-round capacity and no accessory rail for lights or lasers. Number 4. Canik TP9 Elite SC. If you're after a carry gun that packs power, precision, and flexibility, the Canik TP9 Elite SC stands out. Chambered in 9mm, this compact pistol offers a 12+1 capacity in the standard magazine, with an extended 15-round option for added firepower without much extra size. It's designed for those who want the features of a full-size pistol in a carry-friendly format. Measuring 6.7 inches in length and weighing 24.78 ounces unloaded, the TP9 Elite SC combines compactness with a solid, comfortable feel. The textured grip provides a natural fit, allowing for steady control, while the short, crisp trigger pull enhances accuracy on each shot. It's also optic ready, letting you add a red dot sight for faster aiming if desired. With a reversible magazine release and ambidextrous slide tops, this pistol is user-friendly for both left and right-handed shooters. Reliable, versatile, and easy to handle, the Canik TP9 Elite SC offers a great balance of concealed carry without compromise. It is available at various retailers, with prices typically ranging from approximately $399 to $581, depending on specific model and features. Pros: high capacity 12+1 and 15-round options in a compact frame, comfortable grip with a smooth trigger pull, and optic ready for those who prefer a red dot sight. Cons: slightly heavier than some carry pistols, and bulkier profile may feel large for smaller hands. Number 3. Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus. If you're looking for a carry gun that combines ease, reliability, and a bit more capacity, the Smith & Wesson M&P Shield Plus is a great option. Chambered in 9mm, this pistol offers both a 10-round and an extended 13-round magazine, giving you flexibility while keeping the gun slim and easy to carry. At just 6.1 inches long and weighing 20.2 ounces unloaded, the Shield Plus is compact enough for everyday carry, yet offers a comfortable, full grip for better control. One of the standout features is the new flat-face trigger, providing a smooth and consistent pull for better accuracy on each shot. The enhanced grip texture also makes it easier to keep a secure hold, especially during rapid fire. Shield Plus is built for user comfort without compromising on power, making it a strong contender in the carry category. With Smith & Wesson's reputation for quality, this pistol offers both peace of mind and practical performance. Its price is typically ranging from approximately $399 to $549. Pros: slim profile with flexible 10 and 13-round capacity options, comfortable grip with enhanced texture for control, and smooth, flat-face trigger for improved accuracy. Cons: limited accessory rail for attachments and larger grip may not suit very small hands. Number 2. Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro. For those who want a bit more in their carry gun, the Springfield Armory Hellcat Pro delivers on all fronts. Chambered in 9mm, this pistol offers a solid 15+1 capacity while keeping a compact profile, making it ideal for those who want a higher round count without the bulk of a full-size firearm. The Hellcat Pro measures 6.6 inches in length and weighs 21 ounces unloaded, striking a balance between compact and full-size feel. Its textured grip ensures a secure hold, giving you confidence with every shot, while the slightly extended grip provides better control for quick, accurate follow-ups. The pistol is also optic ready, so you can add a red dot for quicker target acquisition, perfect for those looking for enhanced accuracy in a carry gun. The smooth trigger pull and crisp break, the Hellcat Pro makes shooting comfortable and consistent. It's built to deliver on reliability and power, all while staying easy to carry. For those who want a bit more capacity and performance in a sleek, compact frame, the Hellcat Pro is a solid choice. Its price typically ranging from approximately $529 to $695. Pros: high capacity 15+1 in a compact profile, Comfortable grip texture and extended control, and optic ready for enhanced sight options. Cons: slightly larger frame may feel bulky for deep concealment, and grip size may be big for smaller hands. Coming in at number 1, Sig Sauer P365 XL. At the top of our list, the Sig Sauer P365 XL brings everything you could want in a carry gun: compact size, solid capacity, and a design built for confidence and control. Chambered in 9mm, the P365 XL offers a 12+1 round capacity with an option to extend to 15 rounds, giving you an impressive amount of firepower for a gun this size. It's an excellent blend of concealability and capacity, making it ideal for those who don't want to compromise on either. Measuring 6.6 inches in length and weighing about 20.7 ounces unloaded, the P365 XL stays compact and light, yet feels balanced and sustainable in hand. The extended slide and barrel improve accuracy and reduce recoil, while the flat-faced trigger provides a smooth, clean pull that makes it easy to stay on target. The P365 XL also comes optic ready, so you can add a red dot sight if you want even faster target acquisition. The grip texture is designed to keep the pistol firmly in your hand, even during rapid fire, and the slim profile makes it comfortable for all-day carry. The Sig Sauer P365 XL brings together premium features, top-notch reliability, and practical design, making it a standout choice for anyone serious about concealed carry. It is available at various retailers with prices typically ranging from approximately $600 to $828 depending on the specific model and features. Pros: high capacity, 12+1 or 15+1 in compact size, extended slide and barrel for improved accuracy, and optic ready and smooth flat-faced trigger. Cons: slightly larger than the original P365, and optics may add to the bulk. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Your support really helps us continue to bring more valuable content. And let us know in the comments what's your top pick for a carry gun. Or do you have any questions about any of these models? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.